Welcome to Beautyistic. Ever felt like your hair needs a miracle to bounce back from dryness and damage? We all know how frustrating it can be when your hair feels lackluster, brittle, and just plain lifeless. That's exactly why we're taking a look at It's a 10 Silk Express Miracle Silk Leave-In today. This product promises to heal, hydrate, and bring back the silkiness your hair deserves. Stick around for an honest take on how well it actually works. This leave-in treatment comes in a 10-ounce bottle, designed for all hair types, and it claims to improve elasticity, repair dry or damaged strands, and restore a healthy shine. The ultra-silky formula is meant to be lightweight, leaving your hair feeling smooth without the dreaded greasy residue. Packed with ingredients that promise to nourish, this product should offer hydration and manageability with just a few spritzes. But does it live up to its promises? Let's dive into my experience. Incorporating the It's a 10 Silk Express Miracle Silk Leave-In into my routine was effortless. I used it after washing my hair, simply spraying it throughout damp strands before styling. The texture is super light, and I could instantly tell that my hair felt softer just by running my fingers through it. I also noticed an immediate improvement in how easy it was to detangle my hair. No more fighting with stubborn knots or tangles. Now, I did a few tests to see how this product holds up in real-world conditions. First, I wore my hair down on a particularly humid day, and I was curious to see how well it could manage frizz. While it did a decent job of controlling flyaways, I did find that I needed to apply a little more product in areas that tend to get more frizzy. What really impressed me was how soft my hair felt throughout the day. I'm talking smooth, silky strands that didn't feel weighed down. The product definitely improved the overall texture of my hair. However, while the hydration was there, I didn't notice a huge difference in elasticity right away, which I was hoping for, especially given that claim. In terms of the pros, I love how light this product feels in the hair. It doesn't weigh it down, and there's no greasy residue, which is huge for me since I tend to use leave-ins regularly. The scent is also subtle and not overpowering, which is a plus when layering with other products. On the downside, I would say the performance could be slightly better for extremely damaged or very dry hair. If your strands are severely compromised, this might not be enough on its own to provide the deep hydration you're looking for. It's more of a daily maintenance product than a rescue treatment. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's pretty good. The 10-ounce size should last a decent amount of time if used sparingly. It's priced higher than some leave-in conditioners, but you're paying for a well-known brand with a solid reputation for quality products. Still, if you're looking for a super rinse treatment, you may want to explore other options that target more specific hair issues. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. It's a 10 Silk Express Miracle Silk Leave-In does what it promises in terms of making your hair feel soft and manageable, but it's not a miracle worker for really damaged hair. If you're just looking for a lightweight leave-in that keeps things smooth and shiny, this product is a great choice. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.